Hi, I'm Josh Quick. I'm the owner at Mid-South Crawl Space Solutions. Today, I want to take a few minutes and talk about the importance of annual maintenance for your clean space encapsulation system. There's three main reasons why you should not forego annual maintenance for your clean space system. The first reason is for the warranty on your mechanical equipment. Both your dehumidifier and your sump pump come with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If you should ever have a problem with either of those pieces of equipment and the manufacturer deemed the problem due to neglect, you as the owner would be responsible for the full cost of repair or replacement. Second is for the protection of your investment. We know how much you sacrifice to provide for your family and your home, and we want to help make sure that your clean space encapsulation system is operating at its most efficient level. And third, it's for the safety and well-being of your family. This could be the most important reason of all. When your clean space system is maintained properly, it will help prevent mold, mildew, and allergens from entering your home. Our service techs are trained and authorized to provide service for every component in your clean space encapsulation system. We will service the dehumidifier, clean and function test the sump pump, visually inspect every inch of the clean space liner, and make any necessary repairs. Call or click today to find out when your next annual maintenance is due. And thank you for trusting us with all of your crawl space, foundation, and concrete repair needs.